King news, my lovely, wonderful people. Order restraining NLC TUC from embarking on strike has been given by the Supreme Court. So the Supreme Court now, Tinubu administration don't want make anybody cause wahala for them. He says instead of bad thing to happen, may rain fall. He says so whether you like it or not, nothing of such is going to happen. We're not going to allow the same thing, over and over again. So the truth is that we're going to ensure that the truth is being revealed. We're going to rise up and we will not allow the same people to hold us down. So this is what is happening. The people say we are stopping every form of we're stopping every form of we don't want you people to go on strike and set the nation out of course. We want truth to be manifested. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. The National Industrial Court on Monday declared that the order restraining the Nigerian Labour Congress (NLC) and Trade Union TUC from embarking on a planned industrial action is hereby being put together. Justice Olufunke stated that the order as granted on June the 5th subside pending the hearing and determination of the motion on course. The court in addition has ordered that parties maintain the status quo, adjourn the matter to July the 20th for a hearing. Earlier, the case was called by the Federal Government Counsel, Mr. Chuks Emmanuel, informed the court that the matter was slated for Monday for the motion on notice on the injunction to restrain the defendant from embarking on strike. In addition, he added that he was ready to continue and ensure that none of this happened. The application of the defendant has been served. Mr. Macha Abubakar, the defendant counsel on his part, however, replied that he has filed an application praying the court to set aside the order granted on June the 5th restraining his client from embarking on the strike. Abubakar finally submitted that the claim was served and the application was served on June the 8th, only for them to turn around and serve them on counsel on the affidavit on Monday in court. He added that the claim filed the counter affidavit on June the 16th and an instigation on behalf of all on Monday must ensure that they do not continue on the same. So my wonderful, lovely people, this is what is happening right now. You can see for a fact that none of us should allow the same thing to go on over and over again. And so it is important that we begin to say these things and act accordingly. Okay? So this is what is happening. This is what is going on, and we don't want the same thing to repeat itself. Our very own brother, has said he did not plan for any of this, and so what's going on is totally unacceptable and should not be condoned. Okay, it should not be condoned. So that's it. They've said the courts have now said they cannot go on strike. They must stay there. They must work, and nobody should allow the same thing to continue over and over again. So this is what is happening. This is what is going on. Anyway, my lovely people, it is important that we do not allow the same thing to occur and that we stop this. Okay? So it is wrong, very wrong. It is very, very wrong. So my lovely people, every one of us must understand that the things that have happened before now should not be allowed to continue. Every single one of us know exactly what is going on, that there are people pressing that wants to ensure that Okay, those things that have been, that have been allowed to go on for such a long time, we do not allow them to continue without truly, sincerely tackling some of these issues. Okay, so it is important. Let's rise up. Let's ensure that we speak out against everything and anything that will not, will not give us the opportunity to be a nation and to speak out as we should. So it is important, okay? It is important. Anyway, my lovely, wonderful people, remember that when they say the ball is in your court, it's in our court, for us to stand up, for us to ensure that we rise up to the occasion and we do not allow the same thing over and over again. Okay? So it is a matter of urgent attention. Okay? It is a matter of urgent attention. Please, my lovely people, every one of us must ensure, okay? Every one of us must ensure that we do not let the same thing go on. Okay? Please, Nigerians, if there is a strike, it is because the NLC wants to stand for Nigerian people and ensure that they get what they deserve, not some people, some persons trying to take over that which does not belong to them. Okay? Not some people trying to take over what does not belong to them. Let's stop that and let's ensure that we do everything humanly speaking possible to change the course of what is going on. If you look out and if you see what's happening, you'll know that every one of us should stop this and that we should speak out for what is needed and for what is right. So my lovely people, it is something that we must work at and ensure that we get the right thing. The right thing must be done. Okay? The right thing must be done. Please don't forget, every one of us have a voice. And so we must speak out against everything and anything that does not make us go far as a nation and as a people. Remember, it's up to you and I. So please, let's do everything humanly speaking possible to change the course of what is going on today. Don't forget, your voice is important. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can have all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. From us, it's bye for now. Bye-bye.